In this video, I'll walk you through how to get your DJI drone to fly higher. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Flying your DJI drone higher allows you to capture stunning aerial views and achieve better perspectives for photography and videography. It also helps you explore more expansive areas for creative opportunities. So, if you're looking to increase the maximum altitude your DJI drone can reach, it's a simple process that can be done through the controller settings. This feature is part of DJI's safety protocols, ensuring that your drone doesn't fly too high, potentially causing interference with aircraft or violating local regulations. However, if you're in an area where flying at higher altitudes is permitted and you want to push your drone to its limits, here's how you can adjust the max altitude setting. Start by checking the controller screen. If you see the notification that you've reached the maximum altitude, this means your drone has hit its height limit. To change this, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access various settings for your drone. Once the menu is open, navigate to the Safety tab, which is where all the flight-related settings are located. Within the Safety section, look for the Flight Protection settings. Here, you'll find the option to set the maximum altitude limit. By default, the altitude might be set to a specific value for safety reasons, but you can change this by increasing the number to allow the drone to fly higher. Once you adjust the max altitude to your desired height, confirm the setting, and you're ready to fly your drone higher than before. Keep in mind that while you can adjust this setting, it's important to always be aware of the local laws and regulations regarding drone flights in your area. Many countries and regions impose altitude limits to ensure airspace safety, so make sure you're not exceeding legal flight limits while enjoying the increased range of your drone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.